Hi folks, Will here over to XAUUSD.com. First of all, welcome to the video. So what I want to show you here today is just a live trade example on the British pound Aussie. So as you know, I posted a video yesterday of a trade I took on it, and I've hit my target yesterday and I've re-entered at a higher target again today. So let's see, if we look at the 15-minute charts where I got in up here. It was actually in this here candle here where I get in. Why? Price gives us these divergence, then it pops up here after a sideways movement, and I entered here. So what I seen was happening here was this here sideways movement, and the market popped up, likely to take these stop loss orders out above 185. So market moves sideways. People think it's going down here. Tricks the market, pops back up. This is just really what I think is institutional money. If you see in the 15-minute charts, taking out stop orders. So people would have entered here, put their stops just above here, say just above the psychological level of 185, and pops back up, takes them out, and then plummets back down in the original direction. So that's what's happened there. If we look at the 4-hour charts, huge candle here, similar story here. And we can actually read this in the MACD divergence indicator. It's actually telling us what's happening here. Okay, so we got in here yesterday. This was our first target. First easy target was hit yesterday. And let's move up here. Springs back up after this area caused this last high. Market gets more liquidity here to push it up higher. Likely there's a lot of there must have been a lot of stop orders above this area here. People thinking after this long move up that we're finally going down after this bearish candle here. The market pops up again to take out more stop orders. So it's popping down nicely. We are nearly 90 pips. I'm going to hold this trade down towards, and my first easy target's 183, but I'm going to try and hold this down towards 182. But a nice trade. So it is. Market's slowing down. No, it keeps on popping up, but if you understand what's happening, like the trade yesterday, that as I explained, this was the trade yesterday. So we had this movement up here, then this drop, and then this leg up here. This leg failed to do anything. We'll zoom into the 15-minute charts, and we'll actually see this in deeper. I think this is it here. Yeah, so this is it here. This is the trade we took yesterday. We got this move down after this closing candle here. Okay, so this was the all-time high in that last trend up before it made this new high, but this was it here. Market moves down, moves back up. This leg up here on the 15-minute charts and hourly charts did not, where is it? Didn't create a new high, so this is why I entered the market. First easy target was down here. And that was a nice, I think yesterday I posted in the Facebook group, 120 pip move. So I've got another 90 pips on it so far today. And it's already broke through this area here, so it's definitely coming down. Not definitely, but likely coming down towards 183 or lower down towards 182 in the coming hours and coming days. So we'll notice that there. Also, if you were in the Facebook group yesterday, or not, the YouTube live call yesterday, the webinar, we took this trade on the CAD Japanese yen. Did drop a little bit, but it's taken off again today and it's moving nicely up around 30, what was it, 1.50 pips. Where are we targeting? 82, 83 area and above. I think it's, looking at it, it's going up towards 85 in the coming days and weeks. So I'm going to hold this trade. So if you want to learn how to trade price action like this here, you can head over to Udemy and download my best-selling price action course. If you want to know a bit more about me, you can access the free indicator in the description area of the video. Any questions, get in contact with me at will@fxaus.com, and I'll see you all soon. Happy trading.